55 is connected with that batch of the matters.
Yes, Your Lordship, but this is fresh matter.
12.4 challenge is to
Yes, sir.
12.4 condition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, to several cases.
Where are the similar
22,
order?
23, 24, and one.
43, sir, 43 is also there.
43 main 43.
Yes, sir.
56 is also there.
But the Lord,
56 is also there.
56,
22, 23, 24, 55, 56.
43 is the
43.
main case.
नोट कर दो जरा नंबर, सीरियल नंबर नोट कर लीजिए.
21 is there.
23, 24,
21.
23, 24, 25 भी है. 25 भी है. और 55, 50, 56
56 will
and 43.
52 भी है, sir.
52 is also.
52 भी है. 52.
Your Lordship, mine is the fresh matter.
ये है ना रेफरेंस 1. आइटम नंबर 43 में 1 दिसंबर का ऑर्डर,
first December.
सेम ऑर्डर.
Lordship, प्रार्थना मिलन. The 1st December, the Honorable Court has passed an order to verify the documents. We have submitted our documents along with a certified copy. But respondent did not initiate anything, Lordship. Even they have started the special drive to upload the documents, the person who left on 16 and 17. But Lordship, फिर भी हमें उन्होंने अलाउ नहीं किया, Lordship. तो टुडे इज प्रेयर, Lordship. आज लास्ट डेट चल रही,
Sir, today is
Lordship.
the
मैंने
last
रेफरेंस
date.
सेक्शन में मैंने अपलोड किया, मैंने उनका सर्कुलर, Lordship, एट सील नंबर 5 में 43.1, Lordship. इसको एक मेरा केस है 43.1.
क्या अपलोड किया आपने?
रेफरेंस सेक्शन में सील नंबर 5 में सर DPI का सर्कुलर है 9/12/2025 का. लॉर्डशिप, इसमें इन्होंने 16 और 17 के लिए स्पेशल ड्राइव स्टार्ट की थी. हमें लगा शायद हमें भी इसमें अलाउ कर रहे हो, बट दे डिड नॉट टेक एनी एक्शन. लॉर्डशिप,
Who's appearing for the respondent?
Millers, I am appearing.
Why, yes.
Your
Should we
Lordship,
issue notice of contempt?
Lordship, on the last date, all what he is submitting is off the cuff, Millers. It has been submitted by a reference. It is not been filed by an affidavit so that I could respond to it.
So,
However,
your instructions, you are complying with this order?
Millers, the orders have been communicated and the orders will be complied with. My lords had,
Very
Your
well.
Lordship, on 1st of December had.
We are, Mr. Chauhan, we are satisfied with it. You are saying you will comply with the order? Unless you get a stay order of this order has to be complied
Yes,
with. Today is the last date, comply.
On the last date, Millers had directed.
Comply with
that-
it, failing which we'll haul up these officers in contempt. Today we are not initiating any proceeding. You are saying you will comply with it. Time is there till tomorrow 12 o'clock.
tomorrow
Tomorrow 12 o'clock.
We don't learn counsel for the petitioners submit that. एक तो जो ये cases लिखवाए ना, except 43, इनमें सब में same order होगा पहले तो.
अपना कौन सा?
फिर उसके बाद लिखना learned counsel for the petitioners. उन सब में ये ऑर्डर करके जो 1 दिसंबर का ऑर्डर है फिर से लिस्ट अलॉन्ग विद
WP 46106 of 25.
46,106,25 फिर WP 46,106,25 का सेपरेट ऑर्डर होगा. उसमें आप लिखना लर्नड काउंसिल फॉर द petitioners submit that despite this court by order dated 1/12/2025 directing the respondents to verify the document, directing the respondents to permit the petitioners to upload the documents and also directing the respondents to verify the documents. They are not being permitted to upload the document. Upload हो गए नहीं हुए?
No, no,
No, no, no
To
permission.
upload the documents and are not carrying out further verification. Learned counsel appearing for the state submits that the competent authority shall ensure compliance of order dated 1/12/2025 and shall permit the petitioners to upload their documents, and verification of the document shall be conducted prior to further steps being taken in the admission process. at request re-notify on 6 January 2026.
My lord, कल के लिए लॉर्डशिप कल 12 कल के लिए आप
हाँ जी।
लॉर्डशिप कल के
तो
लिए
वो कह रहे हैं before further step they'll permit you to
My
upload
lord,
it,
my
you'll
lord.
verify.
My lord.
Your Lordship, certified copy today on in number 55. CC
Sorry?
today. Code list number 55 में CC today कर दीजिए.
बाकियों में same order कर दिया कि you will be permitted to upload and they'll verify.
Sir, certified copy
As
today.
1st December order in all fresh matters,
Mine.
and in this petition 46106, this order we passed, that they will
I'm
permit you
okay.
to upload.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for same orders in 23, 24, 25.
कर दिया.
All cases there are similar orders.
Already here.
My lord.
I'm obliged.
My lord, this is also similar matter, my lord. Regarding this 12.4 issue, my lord. I'll request to link this matter along with this bunch, my lord.
No, which is this